making a recipe.
No, you are making my recipe.
Oh, you're gonna make me make it.
I'm in the driver's seat, you're in the passenger seat, and let's hope we don't have a wreck.
I know firsthand, y'all, this is good, so you'll want to make sure this one gets in your collection. So I'm yours. Tell me what to do.
Okay, we're gonna make an apple cinnamon oatmeal mini casserole with a cinnamon oat nut topping. Got that?
Yes.
Okay, you're going to add 1.5 cups of milk, and you're gonna put this in this saucepan over here. 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar.
Okay.
All right, I'm cutting up 1 cup of chopped red apple and leave the peeling on it.
And there again, you know, I'm always talking about the nutrients being in the peeling.
There it is.
All right, so there we got 1/4 cup now.
Okay, now you're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. And if you want to do a big one, that's fine.
Okie doke.
Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to cut up 1/2 cup of pecans. We're going to do them by hand, I guess, right?
I don't know where my nut chopper is.
Oh. You're going to get it all melted together.
We probably don't want it to ball, do we?
No. You know, we took dancing classes back in the fall.
You and Phil?
Yes, but his knee bothered him and he couldn't do it. So
y'all took dancing lessons. Do you know?
I've danced all my life.
Does my memory serve me right? Did you used to teach dancing at Peggy Bridges?
Mm-hmm.
No, I think I remember you being a teacher.
You have to be coordinated. Chop and squeeze. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Tight. Okay.
Any tighter and I'm not gonna be able to move.
Okay, now we're gonna do 1 cup of quick cooking oats.
Okay. It doesn't take but a second for that 5-minute oatmeal to come together, y'all. So it's already starting to thicken, Susan.
1 tablespoon of cinnamon.
Okay. Okie doke.
You know, and it's healthy with the oatmeal.
Yes, it is. They
cholesterol.
Say that, it lowers your cholesterol, doesn't it?
You can get off all those funky pills and just eat cholesterol.
Just eat cholesterol.
Oatmeal. Okay, now we're going to take the apples. Now, this says 1 cup. I just use a whole apple in your mixture. Half the pecans. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped apricots.
Okay, now these are dried. You can get these in your baking section.
Chopped dried cherries.
Okay, and how much?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
They look like a big fat raisin.
Now, 1/2 cup of regular raisins.
There we go. All right, so I'm gonna come over here. You've got some beautiful little
spray them with the little
bowls,
non-stick spray there.
Okay,
you know, you're talking about the squatting and squeezing. Do you remember Walter Bay?
Yes, I remember Walter Bay.
Honey, he told me he used to
guy.
sit behind Paula in phonics class. That was in junior high school, and he said, oh, he had the biggest crush on you. Said she was the sexiest, cutest little cheerleader he had ever seen. Rah-rah-ree.
So I'm gonna fill our casserole dishes while Susan's making the topping.
We're doing 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar.
Susan, this stuff is so delicious and not even cooked. It's so good.
Isn't it good?
I love oatmeal. Mama used to cook it all the time.
Scant teaspoon of cinnamon.
This tastes like oatmeal cookie dough, y'all.
It doesn't. But the apples give it a little crunch to it. Okay, now we're going to do some of these chopped pecans. A tablespoon of chopped pecans. Let's do 2.
Okay.
Is that okay if we add to it?
I like nutty stuff.
I like nutty stuff too. That's why we like each other, huh? Okay. Little crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. 3 tablespoons of oats. 1. Very good. 2, 3.
And then we just sprinkle our mixture on top of our casserole, y'all.
Put just a tad of butter on that. It just makes it a little bit better.
I love that.
This would be cute for you to have for Michael for Valentine's.
We're gonna put this in a preheated oven. 350?
350.
For how long?
About 20 minutes.
Let's put it in this little oven. You want to?
Sure.
That is gonna be delicious. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.